Alright, just a quick video guys. I do hear a few comments that these arms are a bit of a weak spot, and I've also seen people bust these up. So I'm going to give these my treatment, bit of MO91, you can also use WD-40. What I'll do, I'll just spray that over the plastic. What it does, it soaks in and actually makes the plastic more flexible. So anywhere where I think that this is going to be a bit of a weak spot, plaster that stuff on there and it should be a lot stronger. Hubs, more hubs. Alright, so I think that should do it. So I'll leave it overnight now. That's going to soak into the plastic, so we give it a wipe off and then that should make it a lot more flexible. And the longer you can leave it on there and the more coats you can give it, the stronger it's going to be. Alright, so that's it for this little video guys. We're going to take that out soon, give it a little bit of a bash and see how well it holds up. So alright guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon guys.